stealing bank today. Hey! Put the money in the bag! That's right! You! Right there! Put the money in the bag!
Sir, you're facing the wrong way.
Where do I face?
I don't know. I can't see your face.
I'll see it right here. Okay?
It's the wrong way.
Put the money in the bag!
Oh! I'm
I
sorry.
need some money for my friendship. Elefanto.
What's the number of your bank account?
78965.
Oh, just my luck. I was just counting your money in your savings account. Here you
How
go.
much do I have?
75 cents.
I could buy a whole house with that. Put it in! Stealing money from my kid.
1, 2, 3,
Hurry up!
13, 23, 33, 43, 53, 63, 73, 83, 93, 98.